Hey guys, so I started some body work on the hood of the 1952 Ford 8N. Trying to fill in all the little dents and whatnot. So this is the first coat. Obviously I got a long ways to go. Here's the front. I like to fill in some of those holes and find out where the holes are supposed to be for the original emblem. This side's really bad. Right there, I have to weld in a little piece right there, and do a lot more in that little area there. But it's part of the game when you buy an old farm tractor. I think over the years it's just been paint it with a brush. If there was dents, it was painted over. If there was rust, it was painted over. So now's the time to actually get rid of that. So again, it's not going to be a show tractor, but I'd like it to look nice. And no doubt this is probably the one of the last restorations that this tractor will probably end up getting. So I'd like to make sure it's done right. Just a little view of the tractor. Its frame's all painted. A couple little touch-up spots. The seat's all painted, and then once the hood's done, I need to tackle the rear fenders.